और जिसके बारे में हमने ज्यादा देखा भी नहीं है, एंड दैट इज द सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप्स of women in places like Uttar Pradesh, in Bihar, and the kind of work that they're doing from microfinancing to health to social issues is quite staggering. But ये है कि उनकी आवाज नहीं सुनाई देती, तो इसका मतलब नहीं कि उनकी हिम्मत या उनकी ताकत कम है, लेकिन वो हमारे दायरे से शायद हमारे आवाज के उसमें से बाहर है. तो all these things we are emphasizing. We are also going to say, for example, Poonam has been very clear, is that कि जब भी ये हम सुनते हैं, जैसे बिलासपुर में भी हुआ था कि स्टेरिलाइजेशन करते हैं, आप औरतों को लेकर आते हैं, एंड जो है एक आदमी था डॉक्टर, उसको कहा जाता था कि ये स्टेरिलाइजेशन का तेंदुलकर है. उसको ये खिताब दिया गया था कि वो कितनी जल्दी जल्दी स्टेरिलाइज करता है. उसका नतीजा बिलासपुर में आपने देख लिया था कि क्या हालत हुई थी उसकी. तो उन्होंने रिपोर्ट बनाई, और इस सीरियल में वो भी दिखाएंगे कि आइडियल क्या होता है, किस तरीके से ये सारी चीजें होनी चाहिए, एंड उसमें महिला की जो वो है अपना, उनकी जो उनका एक्सेप्टेंस या उनकी मर्जी, वो बहुत जरूरी है. तो ये सारी चीजें जो है, और उसके साथ साथ बहुत सारी काउंसलिंग जो है फैमिली प्लानिंग इश्यूज को लेकर, एडोलेसेंट इश्यूज को लेकर, जिसे आप अपना यूथ हेल्थ कहें या यूथ अपना सेक्स एजुकेशन कहें, वो सारी चीजें हम कोशिश करेंगे कि इस टेलीविजन सीरियल के माध्यम से उनको एड्रेस करें. और एक दूसरी बात है कि जब मर्द सेंसिटाइज होंगे, तो ये जो सारी चीजें आप कह रही हैं कि औरतों पर अटैक करना, जर्नलिस्ट पे अटैक करना, क्योंकि आजकल हो ये रहा है कि हम हमारे पॉपुलर मीडियम से सेक्स स्टिमुलेशन बहुत देते हैं, लेकिन सेक्स एजुकेशन किसी के पास नहीं है. तो जब आप पुरुष महिला के शरीर के बारे में समझेगा, उसकी रिस्पेक्ट करेगा, जब दोनों के अंदर एक दूसरे में जब समझदारी होगी, तो ये वायलेंस जो अंदर का जो भड़क रहा है, वो अपने आप कम हो जाएगा. इसलिए मर्द और औरतों के बीच में संवाद बहुत जरूरी है. तो ये सारी चीजें हम कोशिश करेंगे दूसरे सीजन में लाने के लिए.
My question is for Meenal. Meenal, as a lead actor, what have your...
My experience as a lead actor for this show has been amazing. I have grown as a person, as an individual. Like when I joined the show, I was very new. I was not even sure if I want to do it or if I will be able to do it properly. But I got inspired when I started doing the show. Then when I used to read my scenes, I used to go and discuss with Feroz sir that why are we doing this? What is the thought behind the scene? How do you want me to perform? And then he would explain to me so nicely. He would make me actually feel the pain of those people. And then I would be able to perform. Otherwise, I used to be so scared when I used to come on the set. I used to be like, oh my God, why do I have to say all these lines? I can't say. I can't do this scene. I just wanted to come and run back. So working with him, I learned a lot. He has been an institution for me. I'm sorry I'm saying this. I know you're going to kill me for saying all this. He doesn't like to hear anything good about him. So it has been amazing, and now during this journey from first season to second season, I have been contacted by a lot of fans, especially very young girls, teenager girls in school and colleges. They call me and they tell me how inspired they are from the show. And then they also send me messages on Facebook, and then they discuss their personal problems with me, which they cannot discuss with their parents or friends or relatives, because they think that they can do it anonymously and I'm not going to affect their lives. And when they discuss their problems with me, then, I sometimes talk to sir and we decide that what should I tell them, because again, it's a very big responsibility if somebody asks you a question, and if you end up giving them some wrong advice, it might just affect them so badly. So, and then later on, there was this one girl who called me back and she said that, because of the advice that we had given, her problem got solved and she was very relieved. So it's a very nice feeling, just that you've been able to affect somebody's life. Even if we are able to change one life, I guess that's it. Purpose is fulfilled, yeah? That's
villages than cities in India. Why?
I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. We are trying to search that. Hopefully we'll get an answer. But why, we know that why men behave badly. We're trying to work on that. And hopefully that will happen in all the places. It's a बड़ा लंबा सवाल है ये, इसका आंसर यहाँ तो नहीं हो सकता. Thank you very much. बहुत बहुत.
And, women are not treated differently. They are treated in the same negative way where it comes to domestic violence, where it comes...
Well, thank you very much for being here. We would like to thank all the people who have been with us in this journey. First of all, once again, I think from the bottom of my heart, Chandni, who's been doing a lot of work on that, and our PR company and all of them. Everyone has been really very, very special, and they have worked towards making this event a success. And thank you very much. And now there is high tea, and if there is any other question that you might have to any of us, not Farhan, but any of us. No, because Farhan needs to go somewhere, I suppose.
That sex is just as important a part of a person with disability than it would be for anybody else. And what is most amazing is that the character's disability is not the focal point of the film.